Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply for a Bluevine business line of credit. If your business needs flexible fundings, Bluevine's line of credit is a practical option. The application process is quick, online, and designed for small business owners. Let me show you how to do that. So the first step is to go to bluevine.com and log into your account using your credentials, or you can just click get started if you're new. Next, from your dashboard, you're going to select business line of credits under funding options. Then click apply now. Enter your business details. That's your legal name, EIN, the revenue, and time in operation. Once all that is done, upload any required financial documents such as bank statements, tax returns, or profit and loss reports. Now review the disclosure and then submit your application. Bluevine runs a soft credit check that doesn't affect your personal score, so just wait for approval, and in some cases decisions are instant, while in others it may take up to 24 hours. Once approved, you can draw from your new credit line immediately. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.